In the gentle, golden light, a young woman gracefully enters the serene pond. Nature silently welcomes her with quiet, timeless beauty. Step by step, she wanders through lush water reflections. Each careful stride mirrors nature's timeless rhythm. Wading through clear waters, she moves with quiet determination. The soft current whispers secrets of hidden treasures. At the water's edge, she inspects her basket, reading nature's tales. Her eyes sparkle with calculated hope and attention. Close details emerge as skilled hands delicately retrieve a shell. Each movement breathes an artist's touch into nature. Bending low, she gathers another shell with graceful purpose. The pond's gentle whisper accompanies each humble act. Squatting at the rippling bank, she uses a knife to unveil nature's secret. Anticipation fills the quiet air. A tight close-up reveals careful hands prying open the shell. The moment holds a quiet, profound promise. Between delicate fingers, the shell parts to reveal a glistening pearl. A tiny gem emerges, shimmering with quiet glory. Success blooms as a sparkling pink pearl emerges, heralding nature's bountiful artistry. A triumphant smile echoes in the calm air. In quiet focus, she kneels and pries open a giant clam. Each action unveils nature's secret treasure beneath the water. Her skilled hands, armed with a knife, carefully release more hidden wonders. The rhythmic cut resonates with subtle purpose. A flurry of precise movements unfolds as hands extract countless gleaming pearls. The delicate process sings a silent ode to nature. Displaying her harvest, she holds a handful of radiant pink pearls. Admiration touches her face as light dances upon each gem. Kneeling by the water, she sorts through freshly gathered pearls with reverence. Every pearl reflects the calm, enduring spirit of nature. In a close-up, her hands reveal the delicate art of opening a clamshell. The scene whispers stories of discovery and wonder. A profound moment captured in a close-up, where one large pearl steals the spotlight. Its glow inspires dreams of nature's hidden marvels. With gentle hands, a harvest of shiny pearls is gathered from the open shell. A quiet joy fills the surrounding air. At the riverbank, the moment of reflection endears her post-harvest. Open clamshells and soft water echo her contentment. A meticulous close-up captures hands prying open another clamshell. The act hints at nature's promise of endless surprises. In an emotional crescendo, she eagerly collects the precious pearls in her hands and basket. The scene radiates an earthy triumph. An intimate close-up reveals an overflowing clamshell as a hand selects the finest pearls. The visual finale celebrates nature's abundant grace.